Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Last week we have started our AWS interview questions series. This is the second video of that playlist. Let's begin today's session. What is Cloudfront? Cloudfront is an AWS web service that provided businesses and application developers an easy and efficient way to distribute their content with low latency and high data transfer speeds. Cloudfront is content delivery network of AWS. What are edge locations? Edge location is the place where the contents will be cached. When a user tries to access some content, the content will be searched in the edge location. If it is not available, then the content will be made available from the origin location, and a copy will be stored in the edge location. What is the maximum individual archive that you can store in Glacier? You can store a maximum individual archive of up to 40 terabytes. What is VPC? VPC stands for Virtual Private Cloud. VPC allows you to easily customize your networking configuration. VPC is a network that is logically isolated from other network in the cloud. It allows you to have your own IP address range, subnets, internet gateways, NAT gateways, and security groups. What is VPC peering connection? VPC peering connection allows you to connect one VPC with another VPC. Instances in these VPC behave as if they are in the same network. What are NAT gateways? NAT stands for Network Address Translation. NAT gateways enables instances in a private subnet to connect to the internet but prevent the internet from initiating a connection with those instances. How can you control the security to your VPC? You can use security groups and NACL, that is Network Access Control, list to control the security to your VPC. What are the different types of storage gateway? Following are the types of storage gateway: file gateway, volume gateway, and tape gateway. What is a Snowball? Snowball is a data transport solution that uses source appliances to transfer large amounts of data into and out of AWS. Using Snowball, you can move huge amount of data from one place to another, which reduces your network costs, long transfer times, and also provides better security. What are the database types in RDS? Following are the types of databases in RDS: Aurora, Oracle, MySQL Server, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, and SQL Server. What is a redshift? Amazon Redshift is a data warehouse product. It is a fast and powerful, fully managed, petabyte scale data warehouse service in the cloud. What is SNS? SNS stands for Simple Notification Service. SNS is a web service that makes it easy to notifications from the cloud. You can set up SNS to receive email notification or message notification. What are the types of routing policies in Route 53? Following are the types of routing policies in Route 53. Simple routing, latency routing, failover routing, geolocation routing, weighted routing, and multi-value answer. What is the maximum size of messages in SQS? The maximum size of messages in SQS is 256 kilobytes. What are the types of queues in SQS? There are two types of queues in SQS: standard queue and first in first out. What is multi-AZ RDS? Multi-AZ availability zone RDS allows you to have a replica of your production database in another availability zone. Multi-AZ availability zone database is used for disaster recovery. You will have an exact copy of your database. So when your primary database goes down, your application will automatically failover to the standby database. What are the types of backups in RDS database? There are two types of backups in RDS database: automated backups and manual backups, which are known as snapshots. What is the difference between security groups and network access control list? Security groups can control the access at the instance level. Can add rules for allow only. It evaluates all rules before allowing the traffic. We can assign unlimited number of security groups. It has stateful filtering. On the other hand, network access control list can control access at the subnet level. Can add rules for both allow and deny. On network access control rules are processed in order number when allowing traffic. It can only assign up to 5 security groups. Network access control has stateless filtering. What are the types of load balancers in EC2? There are 3 types of load balancers: application load balancer, network load balancer, and classic load balancer. What is an ELB? ELB stands for Elastic Load Balancing. ELB automatically distributes the incoming application traffic or network traffic across multiple targets like EC2, containers, IP addresses. What are the 2 types of access that you can provide when you are creating users? Following are the 2 types of access that you can create: programmatic access and console access. What are the benefits of autoscaling? Following are the benefits of autoscaling: better fault tolerance, better availability, and better cost management. What are security groups? Security groups acts as a firewall that contains the traffic for one or more instances. You can associate one or more security groups to your instances when you launch them. You can add rules to each security group that allow traffic to and from its associated instances. You can modify the rules of a security group at any time. The new rules are automatically and immediately applied to all the instances that are associated with the security group. What are shared AMIs? Shared AMIs are the AMI that are created by other developed and made available for other developed to use. Hope you like our content. For more content like this, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow us on the social handles. Links in the description below.